lessons. So we've got here at the fitness center, we've got this beautiful green space that we've built out. We've got the project moving along real quick. What questions do you have about what's going on?
Tell me, Stephen, where are we in the project?
So we have got the drywall in. We're really starting to get into the lighting, the finishes. We're still just starting to come together, and it'll start coming quicker and quicker as we get closer to the reopening.
And ballpark timing for the reopening?
I mean, we're definitely looking at or shooting for September. There could be a few things that hold us up, but we're shooting for that timeline.
Okay. Any changes from when we presented to the membership?
There are a little bit of changes from the finishes. We've got that posted at the front desk, and then you can see that. Ask Carol about it; she can tell you all about it. But we're real excited about the look and the feel of everything that's coming together today.
It is coming along real well. When you walk through and you see the work that's being done, I think the membership is really going to be ecstatic with the new fitness center. So I think it's progressing extremely well. We've solved our problems and are looking forward to the opening.
Absolutely.